Welcome back, everyone. Well, there's a weird look on my knee. There's some weird news going on, and I totally believe it. I stand against it or stand for it. I don't really know the terminology. But basically, I've been reading a lot of these articles, and they all look something like this. Okay, it's Apple's latest iPhone update has got some Instagram users worried. And if you just type in iPhone Instagram or you go on any subreddit that involves iOS at all, you'll pretty much see a bunch of these type of articles basically saying that Instagram kind of uses your camera even without you wanting it to. And they kind of show proof here, they kind of show like there's the Instagram feed here, there's, Instagram seeing, using the camera or whatever. Now, I saw this and I was kind of freaking out. I'm like, this is really weird. And all of a sudden I saw a ton of comments saying, oh, Instagram's so bad, this and that. And you know what? I don't sway one side to the other. I don't really have a preference. If Instagram is truly, tracking us and like using our data without our permission and stuff, then yeah, totally, like we should be against it totally. But in this specific case, Instagram said it was a bug, and honestly, I hate to say it, but I kind of low key, I kind of believe them. Now I will give you some backstory with when TikTok and all that stuff was going on and with that deleting it. I was kind of saying the same thing. I was like, bro, if TikTok is actually doing these things, then yeah, they should be, investigated and then terminated or whatever. I don't know. But with Instagram, I don't really think, because I was going on Instagram today, right? So here's an Instagram account, for example. This is not my real one. And I was scrolling through, okay, and as you can see, I don't have the green dot in the top right corner. I swipe down. As you can see, I personally don't see this, so I'm not saying it doesn't exist. But you can see Instagram did not access my camera while I was using it. I'm scrolling through, nothing's happening. However, the times that it does use it, or when I go ahead and swipe to the left, and as you can see, that's when I get the green dot. So with iOS 14, the beta, anytime someone uses the camera or the microphone, you get a little green dot. I know it's hard to tell, but a green dot right there, and then a red dot somewhere up there. So that's fine and dandy. If I swipe down here, you can see Instagram is using my camera, technically speaking, which is perfectly fine. I wanted to use my camera. But now when I swipe out, watch what happens. As you can see, the green dot goes away. So I think there's a little bit of a little buffer period. So when you go from here to here, you can see it does take a second, but it's really not that big of a deal. It's expected. And if I swipe down, you can see that it doesn't say Instagram is currently using my camera. It says Instagram has recently used my camera. And I didn't know what this meant. I thought, oh, Instagram's still using my camera. But that's apparently not the case, because when I went on other apps, and if I go ahead and go on Snapchat, for example, I go here, as you can see, Snapchat there. If I swipe out, as you can see, green dot goes away, but it still says Snapchat recently used my camera. So Snapchat is not using my camera right now anyway, you know what I mean? And the same thing goes with the camera app. Open the camera app, as you can see, camera is there. I swipe out, I go here, camera recently used. I doubt Apple is tracking me and doing all that stuff too. So with that being said, I personally have not seen this. I have not seen the red dot or green dot come up while I'm scrolling through Instagram or while I'm going here. I have not seen that. Like I said, I don't know. I'm not saying it doesn't exist, but if I go here as well and I swipe here, that is when I see it. So I don't know, guys. I think it's actually a bug this time. Instagram does so many shady things, but I think this specifically is, kind of, I don't know. Maybe it's a little weird, but I would kind of assume that it's probably more of a bug than not. So I don't think Instagram is using your camera. As you can see, I mean, every time I've done it, it's pretty much worked. It's pretty much not been, using the green dot while I'm scrolling through or anything. So I think that's really pretty much all I wanted to hit on. If you guys have any questions or anything, or if you agree with me or disagree with me, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, on me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. More importantly than everything else, love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.